Hey, Karl Bryan coming at you. Gonna answer the question today why Facebook ads don't work. By the way, that's an exaggeration. Sometimes they do. Sometimes they work magically. I've personally made multiple seven figures off of Facebook ads. But here's the problem. So why don't they work a solid 80% of the time? Facebook ads aren't about Facebook ads. Facebook ads are about writing an ad. By the way, number one beach in the world. Just 2 days after a hurricane out there, folks. Look at how clean that water is. Boom. Anyways, not here for the beach. We're here for some content, as I've been told. So, Facebook ads are about how do you write an ad? You need to interrupt. You need to engage. You need to educate, and then you need to offer. All right, well, if you don't know how to do those four things, your ad's probably not going to work. You need to know how to write copy. You need to know how to create a landing page. You need to know how to copyright a drip sequence. We had a LinkedIn campaign, did over $1 million and 630 grand. So 63%, 630 grand of it came through the drip campaign. There'd be lots of upfront offers, but the Mac Daddy, the money was made in the follow-up, right? The drip campaign. If you're gonna do a Facebook ad and you don't have a drip campaign, you're making a mistake, right? It's about sales. It's about marketing. It's about building a sales team, right? You don't want to just do sales on your own. Back. And you got to build a sales team. You need to know lifetime value of a client. You need to understand a hook. You need to understand offers. You got to understand how to build what I call an offer stack. Very common terminology out there. That's just this easy offer stack, guys. You may or may not know that terminology, but pretty common stuff once you start doing Facebook ads. So basically, look, sales is marketing. It's objection handling. It's, like I say, lifetime value of a client. It's time to value. How soon after people buy off from your client until they see something happen, okay? Like progress equals happiness. Do they see a positive result? Okay, and then by the way, asking for referrals. If your client gets 2 referrals from every client, and by the way, they're not asking for referrals, nor are you. Nobody does. It's silly. If every client sends you 2 referrals, you triple the size of your business immediately. So instead of doing Facebook ad, maybe what we got to do is find a way to get the value quicker, and then ask for the referral, and then triple what our business potentially could be. Bottom line, Facebook ads, that's why they don't work. It's 2% of 100% model. Right? It's like somebody talking about like just advertising, pure and simple. Advertising is 10% of a company. It's an important 10%. It's not even 10%, by the way. Let's just call it 10%. Without the other 90%, the 10%'s not going to work. Right? So that's it. Facebook ads, guys. You want to know why it doesn't work for you? It doesn't work for your clients. And why it doesn't work for the digital agencies, by the way, because they're not, oh, by the way, I didn't even say mindset. You got to be willing to light a bit of money on fire. What do they say? That 80%, like, of every dollar spent on advertising, 80% of it's wasted. The problem is you can't work out which 80, right? Which 20 is working and which 80 is getting lit on fire. It's the magic of advertising. So without some psychology and expecting a win in the first month, you're not going to quite get there. So that's my video for today. And by the way, here, Hurricane 101, check this out. So that's a bit of the strife in the ocean, but remarkably, this place cleans up real good. You can see number one beach in the world, folks. That's all I got for today. God bless. Bye-bye.